Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Stars. There are about 100 billion stars in our galaxy. And our observable universe has more than 200 billion galaxies. It is believed that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand present on whole Earth. Have you ever wondered how stars are formed? Because that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Let's begin. Every star starts its life from enormous clouds of dust and gas, which contains mostly hydrogen and helium. We call these clouds nebula. Inside these clouds, matter is not evenly distributed. There are some regions having more matter than another. And as Newton showed us, gravity is stronger when there is more stuff and when things are closer. So in these clouds, if particles come close enough, gravity starts to bring them together. These particles start to clump. And as these clumps get bigger, gravity gets stronger. And it attracts surrounding particles more violently. And it's a simple law of chemistry. When we bring matter together, increase its density, temperature goes up. So as these clumps are getting bigger, they are also becoming hotter. And eventually they turn into a super dense, super hot ball, which we call a protostar. Protostar keeps sucking more gas and dust particles, generating more heat and pressure at its core. And over the next hundreds of thousands of years, the protostar is getting hotter, denser and brighter because the gravity is constantly crushing it towards its core. And when the temperature at its core reaches more than 10 million Kelvin, hydrogen at its core starts to fuse together to form helium, releasing massive amount of energy. But from where does this energy come from? So in the core, 4 hydrogen atoms go into few steps to form helium. And during this process, some mass is lost. And this mass is converted into energy. So this equation, E is equal to mc square, is the secret of a star. Our sun is converting about 4 million ton of mass into energy every second. That's a lot of energy. And this massive amount of energy produced inside the star's core wants to blow the star apart. And gravity is constantly trying to squeeze the star towards its core. They act against each other. And this creates a balance. If the gravity gets stronger, it will squeeze the star towards its core. And if fusion energy gets stronger, it will blow the star apart. The whole life of a star is battle between these two. The star is alive till it maintains the balance. And now the star is fusing hydrogen at its core, releasing tremendous amount of energy in form of heat and light, which shines the star. And this massive amount of energy also counteracts gravity to give a star its shape. And this is how every star you see in the sky, including our sun, was formed. So next time you see a star in the sky, sing with me.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, now I know what you are.